Hey, welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. As some of you may have noticed, it's been a while since I've actually been on camera decorating cake, and I'll tell you why later in the video. Starting off with a 104 flower tip, and with it I'll pipe some cute little ruffles on the baseboard all around the bottom of the cake. As you saw in the intro, this cake is patriotic themed, just in time for the holiday. After I've got all those ruffles piped at the bottom of the cake, I'll move to the top and do a similar design. And guess what? I got myself a cameraman! And now it's time to go color! Starting with a blue, I have a 199 piping tip here. It's got really teeny serrated edges, and I love the way the shells look with this specific tip. I'll pipe these shells a little larger, and again, I'll do that all around the cake. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned I would tell you why I've been away from making videos. Last year, Thanksgiving Day, my two daughters were in a car accident and my 15-year-old did not survive the accident. And after that happened, I lost all interest in everything. I didn't think I'd ever get back to cake decorating. I didn't think I'd ever get back to enjoying life. But with the support of my family and my husband, I have gotten a little spark of cake decorating back, so here we are. Now back to the cake decorating, shall we? With that same piping tip, I'm going to pipe a few little stars on the side of the cake. Right now I'm just eyeballing it. I didn't measure or anything, so I'm just placing them where I think it looks good. After I've got all of those blue stars piped, I'm going to move to a red icing. And I'm using a number 21 star tip. With it, I'm going to pipe a layer of smaller shells right on top of the blue shells at the bottom of the cake. I moved into a new house. Well, it's actually a little older house, so the kitchen is a little outdated. But we set up this little studio space right against one of the kitchen walls. And I know it's not perfect right now, but I was so excited to get back to doing videos. I don't really care what the background looks like so far. At the top of the cake, I'll do a row of red shells on the outside of the blue shells, right in between the blue and the white. Part of the video that we accidentally did not record is when I was going to introduce you to the man behind the camera. At the end of this video, I put in a little blooper of us laughing together. And when I'm done with that row, I'm going to use this same piping tip to pipe some red stars around the side of the cake. Now that I see the entire side of the cake, I wish I would have piped the stars a little differently. What do you think? Do you like how it goes up and down like this, or should I have scattered them a little more? And there it is! So patriotic, so red, white, and blue!
Hi, babe.
I know, but when I said say hi, babe, what I meant is say hi.
I know.
Babe. Oh!
I was being funny.
No, that's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I realize this is a very simple cake, but it was fun getting back in front of you, and I hope that you will continue with me on this journey of cake decorating. Bye.